Alright, to install the cup holder here by WhanAB on the Audi TT, you just remove this bottom screw. You can use a factory screw to replace it back. Take the cup holder, it's just a simple places over this bracket. Take the screw. Same screw, you don't have to have any additional screws to install this. It self-aligns when it tightens up. Up position. That's where it's closed position. It'll stay there while you're driving. It has a little spring-loaded attachment to keep the lever up. And to simply bring it down, to drop the cup holder, it flips open. It'll hold cups this way. It holds larger cups, any size of styrofoam cups. And then when you get finished with it, both levers move up, latches it back in, and there it is.